Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our first regular academic video lecture or first regular module on our newly launched YouTube channel under title Nuclear Physics by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay. So let us first come towards its statement. Okay, statement of the problem. Find the nuclear radii of part A hydrogen, part B cobalt, part C gold aurum, part D plutonium. Okay, hydrogen, cobalt, gold, plutonium. What we have to do? We have to find the nuclear radii of these four elements. So now let us come towards its solution. Okay. Solution. Nuclei have a mean radius r given by r equal to r naught a raised to power 1 by 3. That is cube root of a. Okay. Nuclei have a mean radius r given by r equal to r naught a raised to power 1 by 3. That is cube root of a, where r naught is approximately equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter, which is equal to, which alternatively becomes equal to 1.2 femtometer, because femto is a prefix which amounts to 10 raised to the power minus 15. Okay, dear students, in the same way as 10 to power minus 3 is milli. Milli stands for 10 to power minus 3, micro stands for 10 to power minus 6, nano stands for 10 to power minus 9, and so on. After 2 or 3 steps we reach this prefix femto, okay, which is 10 to power minus 15. Okay, r naught is approximately equal to 1.2 into 10 to power minus 15 meter, and this alternatively becomes equal to 1.2 femtometer, and A is the mass number. Okay. Now we first come towards part A, which relates to hydrogen. Hydrogen, dear students, it is written as hydrogen 2 1, 2 on the upper side, on upper left hand side, and 1 on lower left hand side. This upper left hand side is always mass number. Okay, mass number means number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay, while on lower left side, number given is atomic number, which is equal to number of protons in the nucleus. Okay, and we know that number of protons in the nucleus are always equal to number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. The only difference is that protons are very massive in comparison with electrons. That is why protons remain in the nucleus and form massive part of atom, while electrons, being very light, revolve around the nucleus. Okay, anyhow, this is a separate discussion. We are dealing with part A of our problem, which is about hydrogen, which has mass number 2 and atomic number 1. Here we apply the same formula which we have discussed above, this formula. Okay, R equal to R naught a raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay, r is equal to, here we have used the value of r naught, which is 1.2 femtometer. Okay, 1.2 femtometer into, here a mass number is 2. Okay, so we have taken cube root of 2 raised to power 1 by 3. This alternatively becomes equal to 1.2 femtometer into 1.2599. What is this 1.2599? This is the value of cube root of 2, that is 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so in the next step, when we will multiply 1.2 with 1.2599, then we will get 1.5. Okay, and this again will be femtometer, because 1.2 is femtometer. Okay, so r has become equal to 1.5 femtometer. This is the solution of our part A. Okay, now we come to what is part B, which is related to element cobalt. Dear students, cobalt has mass number 60 and atomic number 27. Okay, that is why cobalt is written in this statement as CO upper left 60 and lower left 27. Okay, here again we apply the same formula. R equal to 1.2 femtometer into 60, which is A. Okay, mass number A, into 60 raised to the power 1 by 3, that is cube root of 60. This alternatively becomes equal to 1.2 femtometer into 3.91. What is this 3.91? This is the value of a cube root of 60. Okay, that is 60 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay, so when we will multiply 1 by 2 with 3.91, we will get the result 4.69 femtometer. Okay, because 1.2 is femtometer. Okay, r naught is in femtometer, so our result is also 4.69 femtometer. This can be approximately written as 4.70 femtometer. Okay, even if we do not write it as 4.70 femtometer, it is acceptable. Okay, now we come to what is part C, in which gold element is taken. Dear students, AU denotes gold. AU is the symbol for gold. Actually, AU has been taken according to the Latin word aurum, or AURUM, aurum, aurum for gold. That is why gold is denoted by symbol AU, gold, Latin aurum. Okay, its mass number is 197 and its atomic number is 79. Again applying the same formula, nothing new. The only thing to be described is that here cube root of 197 becomes equal to 6.98. Okay, 197 raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to 5.82. Okay, so when we will multiply r naught, that is 1.2 femtometer, with value of cube root of 197, that is 5.82, then we will find the result 6.98 femtometer. 6.98 femtometer. This is our solution of part C. Now we come towards part D, which deals with the element plutonium. Okay, plutonium has mass number 239 and atomic number 94. Here again applying the same formula. The only thing mentionable is that value of cube root of 239 is 6.206. Okay, 239 raised to power 1 by 3 has value equal to 6.206 when it will be multiplied with or not, that is 1.2 femtometer, then we will find the result as 7.45 femtometer, which is the solution of part D of our problem. Now we come towards the reference from where we have chosen this problem. Reference book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Authors are Raymond A. Survey, John W. Jute, Jr. Its publisher is Cengage, and its 9th edition 2014 has been adopted. Here chapter number 44, that is nuclear structure, is our concerned chapter, and this problem has been enumerated as exercise number 44.1 in this book, and this is the end of our module. Okay.